So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about functions in C programming. There are two types of functions, mainly user-defined functions and predefined functions. In predefined functions, they are already inbuilt in the computer, in your software, and the user won't will just use it if you want. And in the user-defined functions, you have to define or create a new function in which you want to do. For example, in addition, you create add and then add two integers, etc. So in this PPT, we can see a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. A function is a code which performs a task in simple way. It divides larger problem into smaller parts, and by using functions, we can have uh, easier access to errors. I mean, we can identify errors quickly like that. It improves code reusability and readability and debugging. Debugging is easier. Advantages of using functions, as you can see, reduces code repetition, makes programs easier to understand, and as I said before. And as I said, there are two types of functions, predefined functions and user-defined functions, like library and custom functions. Predefined, already defined in C libraries, which we can directly use them by including the respective header file. So if we want, as I said earlier, uh, we can use printf or scanf, but those are not defined by the user. They are predefined functions. If we want to use printf or scanf, we need to declare hash include stdio.h, or else the printf and scanf wouldn't work. And more examples are square root, power, sine. These are math.h, and clear screen is one of them. If we want to print hello world, this needs to be written in this code, or else we can't run the code. In user-defined functions, they are defined by the user. The main function especially is defined by the user. And as I said, add or subtract or multiplication, if we want, we can define them and then do that. The basic syntax is return type function name with parameters and the statement and closing of the curly braces. Example int add, int is the data type integer, and in this line we are saying we need to add two numbers a and b, so we are using the function add. In return we are giving a plus b, so we are returning the value of a plus b to the function again. So in function categories there are with parameters and without return values, with parameters with return values, without parameters and with return values, without parameters and without return values. As you can see in this PDF, and for function, we need to declare the function, we need to define the function, we need to call the function or calling function. This actually executes the function. And the definition or the condition, it actually contains the code, as we can see in this example. This is declaration and this is definition. See, add is written over here. So we want to add the numbers A and B. We are returning the value of A and B to this int. So I add 3 and 4. So in summary, A function is a reusable block of code. Two main types, predefined, user-defined, and these are the advantages of the function. Thank you.